So I've been asked this more times than I care to mention this week. So this is how to share your Make dashboard with another person. So the first thing we'll want to do is firstly check here in the team. I think Make by default calls this My Organization. And so you end up with a lot of My Organizations when you share. It's a good thing to make sure that this is set to the name of your organization rather than My Organization. So you can make the changes and just click Save before you share, so the recipient can see whose organization it is. And then to share, you just click on the three dots, invite the user, add their name and their email address here. And then in the role, dependent on who it is that you're giving access. If you want someone to essentially take complete control of your account, the default here is admin, and there are other options too, but they are restricted. So normally I ask my clients to set me as admin, and then they can delete me later once I've completed the work. Same thing, you can add a note if necessary, click Save, and they will receive the notification such that they can then see their account on their dashboard. And that's all there is to it. Seems to be a regular thing this week. I thought I'd create a quick video to show you how to do that.